This is a beautiful story. After the World War, Italy had to rebuild, and it's a museum near Pisa, and it was bombed. And it's a great story. And in a nutshell, you can read about the history of this on my blog, either gracieopulanta or vintagestyle.com. But I'll do another one. And basically, the entrepreneur got Hepburn and Gregory Peck. Questa è la canzone, wow. And he couldn't, in Italy, they couldn't sell it because people didn't have the money. Grazie mille. Look at this. They didn't have the money to, the average Italian didn't have money to buy one. Bologna, Napoli, Palermo, Bari, io sono di Bari, ho I parenti sono di Bari. Grazie mille. Parliamo un poco. And so what they did, they then had to do loans, car loans and motorbike loans. And he had all these sitting in the Pisa office, unsellable. And he had aeroplane parts, right? This is the wheels after the war. The Germans came and brought a lot of parts. And then he went to his workers and he said, look at this, gorgeous. I've got an aeroplane wheel. They had to work with what they got because it was after the war, right? There was nothing there. So they came up with this concept because Italy had to rebuild. They had to move around the cities fast. And Piaggio came up with this fantastic idea, but then Italians didn't have the money to buy it outright. So he said, I trust the Italians that they will pay their loans. But still, he had to get the attention. So he went down to Roma and they were making a film with Gregory Peck and what's her name, Hepburn. And they did this, and from this, then like everything today, it's sold out. It's a beautiful history. And damn, that music's on now. I'm going to have to turn it off because on my YouTube, it'll pick it up.